Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Tech with Scott. Today I've got a banger of a video here, and because I'm reviewing the best webcam on the market and on planet Earth at the moment, which is kind of crazy to think, but it is. And here is the box right here, ladies and gentlemen. We got the Insta 360 link, I can't speak, AI powered 4K webcam. I believe this thing is capped at 30 FPS. I wasn't able to get it to go to 60, but it can go up to 4K resolution, also 1440p and 1080p options too. Comes with a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, and warranty card, quick start guide, and the actual webcam itself. So standard unboxing experience here, nothing too crazy. So let's take a look at what the actual webcam looks like, some of the features it has, and the overall picture quality of this thing, because that's why you guys are clicking on this video. You know, just from a hardware perspective, this thing is actually like really small. Like here's my setup. Look how tiny this thing is. And it's on a gyroscope here, or it's a 3-axle gimbal. So it actually can move around and it'll like move based on where your face is. And it'll track it, and I'll show you what that looks like in a video. USB-C in the back to plug it in, and then I have the USB-C to USB adapter going down into my PC down here. Let me show you what this actually looks like when it powers on right here. This thing is sick. So check this out. Turn my monitor on. It'll pop up in just a sec. Let me fix this. And there you go, see that? Little camera. So as you can see, it's looking at me right now. And I'll sit down at my desk just to show you guys this, but if I'll just make this, no, I won't make that full screen. I can just go up a little so I can grab my face. All right, let me turn the AI tracking on. There you go. So as you can see, it currently follows my face wherever I go. If I go lower, if I go higher, the thing will adjust based on where I'm going. That's where the AI technology actually comes in. So you have a live feed of yourself here. The image quality is literally nuts on this thing. It's like camera quality good, as in like digital camera DSLR good. But we can turn off the preview. You have to turn that off if you want to use it in other applications. But here we have a couple different modes. AI tracking, you can turn that on and off. We also have the whiteboard mode. So that's when it comes with stickers. You can slap some stickers on a whiteboard. You can like put it behind you and it'll lock on to like the 4 corners of where you put it on the whiteboard, and it'll capture whatever you write on said whiteboard. Pretty self-explanatory. We have a desk view mode, as you can see right here, or this is straight up top down. Like you need to actually take the thing, like stretch it out on an arm so it's pointing literally like 90 degrees down. I don't use that just because I don't have an arm for it. I use the 45-degree angle mode, which is the desk view. As you can see right here, it's covering my desk. It's pointed down. This is good for unboxings, actually. I'm gonna use this on my channel because I think this is an underrated feature. You can screenshot, you can also record video. This is all on the Insta360 Link controller application. Coming over here, we can actually adjust the camera. If we go back to my face, you can adjust the camera. You can zoom in and out on yourself, and then you can also move it left to right depending on like where you want to go. I just leave the AI tracking on and off. You also have gestures on here, which is kind of cool. Like you can put your hand up and that'll like tell it to turn off AI tracking mode, so it'll just stay locked, and then you can put your hand up again. It'll lock on me again, and now it'll start tracking me. I believe you can zoom in and out using left and right, I think. Yeah, there we go. There you go. As you can see, you go up and down to actually zoom in and out. Really cool feature. And then you can come in here. You can adjust your standard like image settings here. Like this is nothing too crazy. Exposure, white balance, contrast, brightness. I just leave this on default. And then we also have more settings. Here's the the gestures I was talking about. They also have a whiteboard if you want to switch to that view. Tracking speed, auto tracking. I have it currently on headshot, but you can also do half body and whole body if you're, standing farther away. I keep autofocus on, and I have auto, or I guess, I don't know how that got switched to 60 hertz, but I want to keep that in autos. Streamer mode, what does this do? Enables portrait mode 9:16 and 50 or 60 frames per second in streaming software. Cool. Smart adjustment. After the video is turned on, the camera will search for faces in a small area and adjust the viewing angle. HDR mirror image, and yeah. Also, one of the questions I was asking is like, can this be used in OBS? And it actually can. If I bring up OBS here, I'll show you guys. So I have OBS right here. I'll switch to webcam record. So as you can see, it works in OBS, and the actual software itself just has to be, you can minimize it like this, and then you can tweak the settings in here, but it'll also show up in OBS, which is cool. And you can tweak the settings, for example, like if you want to go to that 45-degree view, it'll show up in OBS. You just need the preview off here. You can also adjust the resolution here. You can adjust the resolution in OBS. It's up to you. Okay, so this is a video test of the actual Insta360 as well as audio test, because I'm using the built-in microphone on the Insta360. I think it sounds actually pretty decent for a webcam. This is a tough shot because I have such bad lighting on my left here, because that's coming from the window light and it's super bright. But it does a good job at compensating for that, and overall the image looks really clear. So comment down below what you guys think of this. Personally, I think it's clean. I think it's a very good looking webcam. You can adjust the resolution, adjust the frame rate. If we look at desk view here, you can switch in between. As you can see, here's my desk, get some nice top-down shots. As you can see, AI tracking's on, so it's gonna be following me around. It'll just, I can get really close, it'll zoom out. It looks pretty sick. So this is just awesome, guys. This is flat out awesome. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more awesome content like this with Tech with Scott. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.